NBC6 is your local election headquarters. Louisiana Senator Bill Cassidy is running for re-election, and while political experts favor him to win, he faces challengers across the state, including from Shreveport's Mayor Adrian Perkins. Tonight we're focusing on these two candidates and why they want your vote. Republican Senator Bill Cassidy says he's responded well to the pandemic as a legislator and doctor.
Incredibly positive on the COVID response, because it's brought my experience as a physician in the charity hospital system, knowing the importance of public health, but doing research on vaccines.
Shreveport Mayor and Democrat Adrian Perkins says he's running for Senate because of the pandemic and the government's response.
I want to protect our community, and this response to COVID-19 has been disastrous for a lot of us. We've lost lives in this community, we've lost family members, we've lost co-workers, children, parents to this very deadly virus, and we have not gotten the support from Washington, D.C. that we need.
Senator Cassidy says he's been effective promoting vaccines and opening schools.
I lobbied hard, and because of my lobbying efforts and that of others, there's been hundreds of billions of dollars put forward both for testing and for vaccine development. So I asked that to Dr. Fauci. Wait a second. These children, low risk of being infected, low risk of having a problem if they are infected. You're asking them to give up a year of their educational life? Tell me why? And you could see him think, and in the next week, he began to speak about how we needed to reopen schools.
Mayor Perkins says his administration went from progressing Shreveport to survival mode.
We went from a progress mode in year one to from balancing the city's budget, lowering crime in the city, having the safest year in 45 years, having an unemployment rate around 3.9% to survival mode this year in 2020. And one thing that I've learned in this is that when you're in a crisis, you need every entity of government to be operating. And the federal government is even more important in times like this because they have more resources.
Cassidy says Perkins is not his strongest challenger and will vote liberal if elected.
But it would be a clear choice. He's supporting, his first vote will be for Chuck Schumer for Senate Majority Leader. That's Medicare for all.
Perkins says Cassidy has not been a good leader and he'll do better.
Right now in this time of crisis, if Senator Cassidy isn't here leading from the front as a medical doctor, that says all we need to know about his leadership in Washington, D.C.
And with Senator Cassidy and Mayor Perkins included, there's 15 candidates on the ballot for U.S. Senate. Cassidy has been endorsed by President Donald Trump, while Perkins is endorsed by former President Barack Obama. Early voting in Louisiana ends on Tuesday.